Meet the Bajau, a seafaring tribe with a rich cultural heritage and a deep connection to the sea. For generations, they have passed down their traditional skills and techniques, including the art of weaving. Bajau weavers use vibrant colors and intricate patterns to create beautiful fabrics that reflect their community's history and identity. We were tasked to create a craft inspired by the Bajau tribe, a seafaring indigenous people known for their rich cultural heritage. Instead of imitating their traditional crafts, we draw inspiration from their intricate weaving techniques and created our own unique piece that showcases vibrant colors and patterns, reflecting the beauty of Bajau artistry. We had a plan at first, but during our planning day, we struggled with how and what we were going to do since we were unsure if we could execute the craft as planned. So this time, we shared ideas and brainstormed to determine the final craft we were going to create. And finally, we had a clear decision on what we were going to do. First, the fabric was cut into thin, long strips. Second, we covered the recycled carton with fabric and then we layered it with abaca.
Go. Ano, Raf?
Fourth, we wove the cut pattern fabric and glued it onto the recycled sacco that we had cut and shaped into a bag. This time, we create essential accessories decorated with colorful beads for our sacco bag.
Mo ane kanina sa share
Kulang lagi. Pura ketunga ara sa bag. Tunga lagi. Oh. What you gonna do with it? Our indigenous craft
is a handmade bag inspired by the Babajao tribe, who are widely known for their vibrant culture and strong connection to the sea. The bag was created using recycled materials, particularly an old sack as the main base. To enhance its appearance, we covered it with patterned fabric and adorned it with seashell accessories decorated with colorful beads. These elements symbolize the artistry and seafaring heritage of the Bajau people. Through the process of creating our indigenous crafts, we gain valuable learning experiences both as individuals and as a group. This activity allowed us to appreciate the creativity and artistry of the Bajau people, who are known for their colorful traditions and deep connection to the sea. By using recycled materials such as an old sack, patterned fabric, and seashells with beads, we were able to produce a meaningful crafts that not only showcase cultural inspiration but also promoted sustainability and resourcefulness. Working as a group taught us the importance of teamwork, cooperation, and shared effort. Each member contributed ideas and skills, from cutting and assembling materials to designing and decorating the bag. We realized that collaboration makes the work lighter and the outcome more meaningful. The process also enhanced our patience and creativity, as we needed to carefully plan and execute each step, from cutting the sack and fabrics to weaving and attaching the decorative accessories. Most importantly, this experience gave us a deeper appreciation of indigenous culture and the value of preserving and respecting it. The Bajau inspired bag we created is not only a craft but also a representation of unity, creativity, and cultural pride.